Hi, Mark here to talk about training and curation with MyCurator. We're in the training post menu item, which is on your dashboard in WordPress, usually below the comments. And you'll see first a whole list of articles that MyCurator has found. I can click on the title and see the whole article, all the text and pictures right there, so it's easy to review articles quickly. Check this one out. I'm going to go over training first. You'll notice that all these articles come in, they have a class. This is not sure, this one's good, this one's not sure. If you've done some training, MyCurator is going to classify articles to say this good one is like the other ones you said were good. And you've done that by clicking on the little training tags. I like this article, it's about alternate energy, and I'm going to click the green thumbs up, meaning I want to say that's a good article. And notice it changed it to good. And it remembers that this is the type of article you like. I can go down and say, oh, I like this one too. I'm going to train it as good. This one I don't like. I'm going to train it as bad. And not only does it remembers that it's bad, but it gets rid of it. If it's a bad article, why keep it in here? So that's basically training. If I train articles, after 10 or so articles, MyCurator gets really good at classifying what you like as good. I've seen up to 90 or 95% of the articles weeded out, and just 5 or 10% of the articles coming through. In this case, I got 156 articles. That's maybe 5 or 10 articles that MyCurator found as good. That's a tremendous time saving. And I can sort by that. I can say, okay, I want to see only the good articles. Do a little search and boom, just good articles show up. So I've ignored all those other articles and now I want to do some curation. So I come down and say, oh, here's a nice one, doing energy storage. To curate, all I do is look for this Make Live tag. Click that and I get a new window and I'm right in the WordPress post editor. I've got my short excerpt and I can view the original web page, my attribution. Let's say I don't want that excerpt though. I'm going to delete that out and I'm going to go down here and notice how I'm highlighting all the paragraphs. This is my click copy feature. I can say, okay, here's the real paragraph I want. I click on that and maybe I also want this one here. Go back up and look at that. 2 paragraphs added directly in, ready to go. Then I just add my own comments. And hopefully you'll add a lot more than that. If the picture, like in this case, notice how big that picture is. When I want to, I can hide it by just clicking on this saved page, which is where the whole page is. Just click that, hides it. There's my featured image. If there were multiple images inside this article, I could change the featured image by just clicking on it like that and make it the featured image, or insert it right there into my post, along with how I want to center it or right click or medium or large. And basically, once I'm done, I can just publish that. Boom. So I've just published and curated an article that quickly. If I go back to my training post tag, that article's gone. And I'm ready to curate the next one. I can also do a quick curation. This bypasses the WordPress editor. I can put some comments in here. I can change the excerpt. Though I don't have the click copy, I have to do copy and paste. And I can make a draft article or just publish it right from here. That's why it's called quick. I can get it done quickly. Some other features are I can send an article to a notebook. So I can save it for future use, maybe do a roundup type post using my notebooks, or a multi-article, meaning I'm going to curate 4 or 5 articles into one post. So if I want to do, again, like a roundup post, here's my best curated articles of the week, I can just click multi on several of them. Notice it changes to multi, multi, multi. So now I've got 3 multi-articles. I can go and make live. I've got the excerpt in there, but look at this. I've got 3 articles in my saved page. So I might go ahead and insert a different picture right in there. Maybe I'll insert that picture. I'm going to right justify it as a thumbnail and insert it into the post. There it is. So that's how quick and easy it is to use MyCurator to curate and train. Some other key features, I can do bulk actions. I can move a bunch of posts to trash by clicking the little boxes and using my bulk actions. I can sort by topics. I can search my training posts for words. Again, I can sort by good or bad or not sure. And I can, if I have multiple authors, I can actually have each author can sort by their own name and just work on their articles. Our training and curation documentation at the link at the bottom of this video on this page gives you some even more detail on this. Thanks a lot.